Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. To prevent emails from going to the spam folder in Gmail, you can take several steps. First, open your Gmail account. After that, in the top left corner we can see the three-line icon. Select that. Over here, scroll a bit down until you find the spam. Here we can see select the spam, and what you have to do is mark as not spam. If you find an email in your spam folder that should not be there, open it and simply press, and on the top right corner again there's a three dot icon. Select that and select move to on the top and select to the primary, and this action helps Gmail learn that emails from the sender are not spam. Also, you can regularly check the spam folder. Periodically check your spam folder for legitimate emails that maybe have been incorrectly marked as spam. Gmail spam filters is not perfect, so it's a good idea to manually review the spam folder to ensure important emails are not missed. And if you receive spam emails in your inbox, make sure to mark them as spam. Simply press one of the emails which you find it spam. After that, on the top right corner, we can see the three dot icon and select report not spam. Thank you for watching this video, and by implementing these steps you can improve the accuracy of Gmail's spam filter and reduce the chances of legitimate emails being sent to the spam folder. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.